Baka kasi, pagkait mo na because you are so poor, really poor in the heart. Baka mamaya sabihin mong hindi ka tinulungan ni Griselda at ni Mera. I could remember the guidance of Ryan Paul M. Valles. He is strict when it comes to academic. Araw-araw yan, nag-aaral ng libro, buong araw yan, nagbabasa. Me? Did I? Anyway, nakapagtapos na ako. I finished my studies. May degree na ako. Relief Florizen, ipagkakalat mo kayo na tulungan ng pamilya. Really?